15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. That English actually doesn't work. I have a heat. That is not correct. What should I say? I have a fever. I have a fever. My head is pain. That is not correct. How do you say it? I have a headache. I have a headache. My stomach is pain. That is not correct. What should I say? My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. My throat is pain. That is not correct. How do you say it? My throat hurts. My throat hurts. I cough comes. That is not correct. What should I say? I have a cough. I have a cough. My nose water comes. That does not work. How do you say it? I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose. I have a dizzy. That is not correct. What should I say? I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I feel bad. That is not right. How do you say it? I feel sick. I feel sick. I feel cold. That is not right. What should I say? I have chills. I have chills. I did an injury. That is not correct. How do you say it? I got injured. I got injured. I drink medicine. That is not correct. What should I say? Take medicine. Take medicine. I go hospital. That is not correct. How do you say it? Go to the hospital. Go to the hospital. I take a rest. That is not right. What should I say? I will rest. I will rest. I became good. That sounds odd. How do you say it? I got better. I got better. Still painful. That sounds odd. What should I say? It still hurts. It still hurts. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.